Hi everyone, here we are at ACR. We're in our workshop area and we've put together little macrame kits that you can buy online. These aren't fancy macrame, this is a really simple plant holder, knotted plant holder using beautiful ribbon. So we've got lots of ribbons and what we've done is we've cut the ribbon for the perfect length for these plant holders. So there's 8 wingspans of ribbon and they're all the same. So once we have all the 8, you're going to just lay it down like this and we're going to knot them. So we've already knotted these 3, so I'll knot this last one for you. And the way we knot it is it should be about 27 inches from the start. So there's 1, 2, 3, and I'll just do this last one, and this is just a basic knot. And once I got that knot done, then what I do is I'm going to separate these into groups of 2 again. So here's another group of 2, and then here's another group of 2. And then here's another group of 2. So I'm going to take this and knot it. So yeah, and then we just do them all about the same length. Okay, so then we're going to go underneath the ribbon like that and knot it the same length. So there we go. And now we've got those 2 sets of knots. So then we're going to take the very bottom that dangles off. If you want, at this stage, you could put beads on, or you can just knot it and then put beads on, or you don't have to put beads on at all. So I'm going to knot it, and I think I'll put a couple beads on the bottom just for kicks. Okay, so do one more. Alrighty. So anyway, if you want, you could put all beads on the whole thing, but I'm not going to do that right now because it's going to take too long. Now I'm going to just take my real simple plant holder off, and I'm going to get my vessel. Here's our beautiful knotted plant holder that we just made, and it was so simple. And this is the vessel that we put inside of it, and you just have to, you know, stick it in there and kind of just mess around with moving things around, and then you've got your little hanger to hang things on, hang it on the ceiling or wherever you want to hang it outside. And just hang it from there, and then you have your beautiful plant holder. And I think that's all.